Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about Polkadot, a cryptocurrency that is designed to connect different blockchains together. Polkadot is a sharded multi-chain protocol that allows independent blockchains to communicate with each other. This allows for greater scalability, security, and interoperability than is possible with traditional blockchains. Polkadot has a number of potential use cases, including 1. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Polkadot can be used to build DeFi applications, such as decentralized exchanges and lending platforms. 2. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Polkadot can be used to create and trade NFTs, which are digital assets that represent unique items. 3. Web3 gaming. Polkadot can be used to power Web3 games, which are games that are built on decentralized platforms. 4. Internet of Things, IoT. Polkadot can be used to power IoT applications, such as smart contracts that control devices. Polkadot has the potential to make a positive impact in the world by 1. Creating a more interoperable and interconnected web. Polkadot's ability to connect different blockchains together can help to create a more interoperable and interconnected web. 2. This can make it easier for people to access and use decentralized applications. 3. Enhancing the security and scalability of blockchains. Polkadot's sharded architecture can help to enhance the security and scalability of blockchains. This can make blockchains more attractive for businesses and developers. 4. Democratizing finance. Polkadot's DeFi capabilities can help to democratize finance. This can make financial services more accessible to people in developing countries. Overall, Polkadot is a promising new cryptocurrency with a lot of potential. It is still a relatively new project, but it has already gained a lot of traction in the crypto community. If Polkadot can continue to grow and develop, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about blockchain technology and the way we interact with the world around us. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.